At Compass, school connects students to real-world learning through community-based projects and partnerships. It's all about belonging, discovery, and preparing for life.
As a parent of a recent graduate, I can say without a doubt that Compass prepared my son academically, socially, and emotionally for adulthood.
My experience with my child at Compass has been really a positive experience. He has been able to kind of come into himself and really grow in a lot of ways that I hadn't seen before we got here.
The school focuses on kind of meaningful learning. They really connect students to issues that are taking place in their community, real-world problems, and allow students to think critically about these problems, to ideate around these problems, and to come up with solutions and actually put those solutions into action.
People often ask, what does community collaboration really mean? At Compass Community Collaborative School, it's more than just a name, it's how we learn. Fort Collins is our classroom, and the world is our campus. Through learning collaborations like those with Colorado State University, Front Range Community College, the City of Fort Collins, Larimer County, and local businesses and organizations, students connect classroom learning with real-world experiences. At the heart of Compass is love. Our culture is built on kindness, safety, and joy. Students can take risks, grow, discover, and make meaningful friendships and connections.
I chose Compass because the school that I went to before really didn't work for me. There wasn't that sort of accepting family community where you could express your ideas and be who you were on the inside.
We believe learning should feel meaningful and fulfilling. It's about that sense of aliveness, when what you're learning really matters to you. Here, students discover their strengths, explore their passions, and see their own potential. Through college concurrent enrollment, internships, and apprenticeships, they're prepared for whatever comes next.
So I think the part of the model that really convinces me that this is a place for many students is how well we see each student.
Best part about Compass, definitely community. There's nothing like it. Yeah, it's unmatched.
I wasn't here a day before I felt like I fit in and people cared and I wanted to come to school. And for the first time in a long time, I wake up every day being excited to come here, and that's something that a lot of people can't say about their school, so I am super fortunate that I came.